In today's video, I'm going to teach you a crucial formatting skill: how to keep table rows from splitting across pages in Google Docs. Have you ever had a large table where a single row of text gets awkwardly cut in half by a page break just like this one? It can make your document look unprofessional and difficult to read. Whether you're a student working on a research paper or a professional creating a report, this simple step-by-step guide will show you how to fix this common issue in just a few minutes. Let's dive in and get your tables looking perfect. First, you need to tell Google Docs which table you want to adjust. To do this, you'll select the entire table. Move your cursor to the very top left corner, click your mouse button and hold it down. Then drag your cursor diagonally to the bottom right corner of the table. As you drag, you'll see all the cells become highlighted. It is important to select the whole table to ensure the formatting change we're about to make will apply to every row, not just one part of it. Next, with the table still selected, look at the toolbar at the top of the page. You will see a set of table-specific tools. Find the icon with 3 vertical dots, which represents More Options. Click it, and then select Table Options from the menu that appears. This action opens a dedicated sidebar on the right-hand side of your screen, which is the control center for all advanced table properties. In the Table Options sidebar, you'll see several categories. Since we want to control row behavior, click on the Row category to expand its settings. Look for the option labeled Allow Row to Overflow Across Pages. By default, this box is checked, which is what causes the splitting problem. Simply click on the checkbox to disable this feature. The moment you uncheck it, you will see the table in your document update automatically. Now you can see the result of that simple change. As you scroll down, notice that the row that was previously split is now completely intact at the top of the next page. Google Docs has automatically moved the entire row to prevent it from breaking, which creates a much cleaner and more professional presentation for your data. Once you are satisfied with the result, you can close the sidebar by clicking the X in its top right corner. Before we finish, it's helpful to know there is another way to access these settings. If you prefer using the main menu bar, you can click on Format, then hover over Table in the drop-down menu. From the sub-menu that appears, select Table Properties. This will open the very same Table Options sidebar we used before. From there, you would again navigate to the Row section and ensure the Allow Row to Overflow option is unchecked. This is just an alternative path to the same solution. And there you have it. In just a few simple clicks, you've successfully taken control of your table formatting and prevented rows from splitting across pages. This small but significant adjustment will dramatically improve the professionalism and readability of your Google Docs. No more awkward page breaks in the middle of your data. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials to help you master Google Docs.